Presenting the Ford 2012 Explorer Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation system, BLIS Plus inflatable rear seatbelt package, luxury seating package, preferred equipment group 302A, 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius, CD player, premium audio system, Sony and radio data system. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.